Hey everybody, Unbound for Liberation here, and let's be honest, who doesn't love a good all-inclusive resort? You're picturing it right now, aren't you? Unlimited pina coladas, turquoise water, little umbrellas in your drinks. It's basically paradise with a buffet. All-inclusive resorts sound like the ultimate stress-free getaway, right? But if it's your first time, it's easy to make a few rookie mistakes that could cost you time, money, and peace of mind. Nobody wants to be stuck with lukewarm pina coladas and a bad case of the vacation blues. So whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-time resort goer, let's break down the top things not to do so you can vacation like a pro. Alright, mistake number one, and I've seen this one firsthand, folks. Thinking all-inclusive means literally everything. Now I know what you're thinking. It's in the name, all-inclusive. But trust me, there's a whole lot of fine print they don't put on the brochure. Here's the deal, some resorts charge extra for things like top-shelf liquor, you know, the good stuff. They'll give you the house tequila, but if you want that añejo, baby, you gotta pay extra. And don't even get me started on the spa treatments. You want to be rubbed with essential oils by a man named Sven? That's gonna cost you. Same goes for water sports. You thought that jet ski was included? Think again. They'll hand you a paddle and say, see that buoy over there? Paddle to it and back for $5. Even some of the fancy pants restaurants, you know, the ones with the white tablecloths might be extra. The moral of the story? Always read the fine print, and double check what's truly included. Don't be shy to call the resort directly and ask, hey, is the guacamole extra? Asking for a friend? Alright, moving on to rookie mistake number 2. Assuming you can dine wherever, whenever. You stroll down at 8 p.m. on a Saturday night starving, ready to demolish some all-you-can-eat crab legs, and bam! You're hit with a line longer than the TSA checkpoint during the holidays. Here's the thing about these all-inclusive resorts. They're popular. Who knew, right? So, those popular restaurants, the ones with the good food and the ocean views, they book up fast. And by fast, I mean faster than a cheetah on a sugar rush. Don't wait until you're hungry to snag a table. Lock those reservations in as soon as you arrive. Seriously, the moment you drop your bags, channel your inner restaurant connoisseur and make those reservations. And hey, if you're feeling really ambitious, maybe even try making reservations before you arrive. It's like a superpower, but instead of flying, you get a table by the window. Let's talk about packing, shall we? It's a delicate dance, really. Mistake number 3 is a two-parter, bringing everything or forgetting the essentials. Now I get it. You're on vacation, you want options. 10 swimsuits? Sure. 3 different hats for each hour of the day? Why not? But let me tell you, lugging around a suitcase heavier than a sumo wrestler gets old real fast. On the flip side, forgetting crucial items can really throw a wrench in your relaxation plans. You're not going to be feeling very zen if you get eaten alive by mosquitoes, are you? Here's the key. Pack versatile clothing. Something that can go from the pool to a casual dinner with a quick change of accessories. And for the love of all that is holy, don't forget sunscreen, reusable water bottle, bug spray, and closed-toe shoes if you're planning on doing any excursions. Trust me, those resort gift shops are like the Bermuda Triangle of your wallet, expensive and mysteriously lacking in basic necessities. Okay, let's talk about a topic that's a little sensitive, but important: tipping. Yes, I know, it's all-inclusive, but tipping goes a long way. Now, I'm not saying you need to empty your wallet every time someone hands you a napkin. But even if gratuity is included, a few bucks here and there for housekeeping, bartenders, and bell staff can make a world of difference. Think about it. These folks work hard to make your vacation amazing. A little extra something. Something shows your appreciation and, let's be real, might just get you that extra cocktail cherry or a room with a better view. Remember folks, a little kindness goes a long way, and besides, who doesn't want to be known as that awesome tipper on vacation? It's like being a celebrity but with more pina coladas. This last one might sound crazy, but hear me out. Mistake number 5, not leaving the resort. I know, you're probably thinking, Jimmy, I'm here to relax by the pool, not go on a wild goose chase. And listen, I get it. Lounging is an art form, but all-inclusive doesn't mean you're trapped in paradise. Look, these resorts are often located in some of the most beautiful and culturally rich destinations in the world. Don't miss out on the chance to experience something new. Book an excursion, take a guided tour, or just wander around the local town, try the authentic cuisine, soak in the culture, and maybe even learn a few words of the local language. Who knows? You might just discover your new favorite place on Earth. So there you have it, folks. All-inclusive resorts are meant to be easy, but a little prep goes a long way. Avoid these rookie mistakes and your trip will be smooth, relaxing, and unforgettable. Remember, a successful vacation is all about maximizing your fun and minimizing your stress. So pack smart, tip well, and don't be afraid to explore beyond the resort walls. Drop your all-inclusive tips in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more travel smart videos.